Welcome to another definition. What is soil microbiology? This is related to the soil, so I thought we can also define this subject because some of the videos in the future they would also belong to this category. So this is meant for again BSc, MSc and all those where soil is there, this would be learned there. Life on Earth consists of living environment, starting from very basic to come to definition of the soil microbiology. Living environment that includes organisms of various evolutionary levels, bacteria to huge redwood trees and elephants. This slide also relates to botany, to zoology, and to the ecosystem. So, living environment and non-living environment, including soil, air, water, rocks, all nutrients, all non-living things. The collective study of various groups of organisms is called biology. Biology, if we define a little bit different way, is the study of the various aspects of the organisms such as taxonomy, ecology, behavior, reproduction, physiology, adaptation, interactions with environment and among themselves, productivity, beneficial and harmful effects. After definition, we would see what is further division in the biology or branches of biology. With the advancement of knowledge, the subject biology was overexpanded. The traditional biology could not meet the present day challenges. Therefore, biology was split into various major, minor, specialized branches. This table shows some based on the ecosystem: river biology, freshwater biology, sea biology, forest biology, spring biology, soil biology, alpine biology, desert biology. Based on the species, you can say pine biology, fish biology, human biology, wheat biology, tiger biology, bear biology. Based on the environment, it could be again human biology, host parasite biology, ethnobiology, conservation biology, aerobiology, space biology. So, whatever animal is there, his study or her study is a biology. Biological studies have two major components: abiotic component, environment, environmental factors; biotic component, plant animal decomposers or microbes. Biotic components may be macroorganism, microorganisms. Again, macro, large animals; micro, which are microscopic. From here onwards, another field of biology originates or is born that deals with the study of the microbes, various aspects of microorganism. So, study of microbes, study of microorganism would come microbiology. What is a microbe? Let's define this also. ये क्या बोला है? The word microorganism is used to describe an organism that is too small to be seen without a microscope. A microorganism may be either a single cell, unicellular, or cluster of cells, or multicellular, relatively complex organism. Viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, some microalgae. These microbes they occur in large number. They have a very high population. They live in habitats where many other organisms cannot live. They can occupy any adverse situation: highly polluted water, highly cold water, even in thermal springs they are there. So they would grow everywhere. Now we are coming to what is microbiology. As the world has a combination of three words. The word micro means small, bio means life, and logos means study. Therefore, it is the branch of biology dealing with the study of small living organisms such as bacteria, viruses, protozoa. This thus the field of biology is called this field of biology is called microbiology, biology of microbes. Microbiology is the study of the various aspects of the microscopic organisms like bacteria, viruses, microinsects, microalgae, and their interaction among themselves with the humans and with the environment. The scientist, specialist, researcher is simply termed as microbiologist. Again, size of the cells, if you could see, type of microbe, approximate range and cell type, viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, all of them, they have a different range. Viruses are the smallest one, inactive, bacteria next to them, fungi slightly, microfungi and macrofungi. So microfungi are included here. Protozoa is there. Algae, microalgae is included here because it could be from a micron to several meters. Macro is there. So different lengths, cell types are variable. Some could be acellular, prokaryotes, and eukaryotes. Microorganisms are the foundation for all life on Earth. They affect our everyday life. Microorganisms are found enormously almost everywhere. Microorganisms may commonly be called germs, viruses, disease agents, but many are useful or essential for human life. Spectrum of microbes. How much microbe could be there, for example, in an area? There are over 10 million species of prokaryotes, over 3,600 known viruses, about 70,000 described species of fungi, and many more would be there. New fields generated with advancing knowledge, techniques, research finding. The traditional microbiology split into new fields within itself. Biology split it into many types of biology. Now microbiology has also further classification. You can say aeromicrobiology, agriculture microbiology, animal microbiology, applied microbiology, astromicrobiology, bacteriology, environmental microbiology, ecological microbiology, fermentation microbiology. These are alphabetically arranged, so you could see soil microbiology at the end, water microbiology, microbial, whatever it's, pharmaceutical microbiology, immunology, all these are further types of microbiologies. Association of two different words, soil microbiology is now a combination of two different fields, not words. Soil, the physical part of the environment. Microbiology, the biology of the microbes. So, the study of the soil microbes or soil microorganism is soil microbiology. Soil microbiology is the scientific discipline which is concerned with the study of the all microbial aspects of the microorganism, bacteria, archaea, viruses, fungi, parasite, protozoa existing in the soil. They must be within the soil. or they must be attached to the soil particle from the surface to the deeper layer. This is soil microbiology is also considered as environmental microbiology or a subdiscipline of soil. This is also called soil ecology or microbial ecology. Since the combination of two different fields are there, so soil and microbiology, therefore it is advisable to study soil as a medium or habitat for microbes. Some important features of the soil: biology of the soil microbe, interaction of the microbes with the soil. This has to be studied. Then you can know the biology of the microbes which live in the soil. Thank you very much.